What's up, guys? Back again with another video. Um, we will be just doing a recap and also going through some of the setups I showed last week and the trades that I did take. I think not yesterday, but last week I did take a few trades on NASDAQ, but we will be looking at the dollar index, Bitcoin, US100, US30, and yeah, I think that's pretty much what we look at. So currently, as we are now on this chart, we are looking at DXY. So this is the dollar index. Now, as you guys can see, we're on the strong support of a channel right here, waiting for a breakthrough to the upside. We zoom in onto the weekly. Sorry about that. I do have a bit of a flu, so please do excuse my voice as I am just recovering over quite a hectic weekend. But yeah, on the weekly time frame currently as we speak, so we are just hovering and retesting this support level, this monthly support level. But I will be actually kind of looking for, and I'm still optimistic that we are going to break straight to the upside, based on seeing just the structure of the candlestick formation. The spinning top that's kind of forming here, if we get a green candlestick pushing straight to the upside, I am definitely sure that we could see potential bullish movement to the upside, meaning that there will be quite a lot of dollar strength creeping in within the markets. Now, as we go through to NASDAQ, US100. So NASDAQ was quite choppy because I remember I did tell you guys that I had a bit of like sell positions around this level here, kind of just like ranged within the zone, and then I got stopped out. So I was holding a position around this level right here. There's one, well, 1 to 100. Yeah, my TP was around there. Sorry. So I was hoping for price to actually come through and then just reject and hit this level here and then bounce off. I did mention that we could see price potentially just come and retest this one. So yeah, this trade was a bit of a tough one because it just continues to keep ranging, rejecting the zone, and then we saw a breakthrough on Thursday with a shoot to the upside. So now as we're visualizing everything as is, I still think we are going to be on a bearish move to the downside, because we had rejected this level right here, which is 23,669.3. So what I am going to be expecting is maybe just a retest along this level here. At the touch, we are kind of seeing also a head and shoulders formation. If I actually just take out we get this right shoulder and then push straight to the downside all the way to, yeah, I think we could drop a little lower, but I just want to see, yeah, we could drop lower to this level right here, because this is a very crucial level where we saw a bit of ranging within the zone. Sorry. So just waiting out and seeing on how things are going to play out with US100. This will kind of just map out the overall structure. Basically, if we do kind of just see a little retest around this zone, which is 23,523 in information, and actually with a drop straight to the downside based on volume indication as well too. Then we are going to be looking at US30, Dow Jones. So Dow Jones has been on a really great bullish trend. I do think this is it has reached its final wave. So what we could be expecting is a down momentum push to 45,000. So this is what we could be expecting. So now the thing that we are going to be getting an information right here with the retest and then maybe a slight drop significantly so like around maybe this level here. So yeah, that's how I'm seeing it. We are seeing a lot of candlesticks actually reject this level here, which is around 45,639. So we are I am going to be anticipating a drop on US30. So we'll see on how that plays about, because within this channel, it's maxed out its full potential to the upside. So yeah. Now we will be looking at Bitcoin. So yeah, Bitcoin as well. As you can see, I did mention that we are kind of like in an M formation. The price came through and broke this neck. We got a retest, straight push to the downside. Sorry. So now what we are looking for is a bit of a excuse me, sorry. So yeah. So I see a bit of a channel forming here with Bitcoin. So we could potentially reach our final destination, which yeah, this level right here could be our final destination to the downside, and then a push break up to. So what I am going to be expecting is this test, push the downside and retest here, and then push going straight up. So we are still currently within a downtrend with Bitcoin for maybe a couple of days or maybe possibly weeks, but I don't think weeks. It will be just a few days. And then this rejection around 104,339 would be our completion in actually pushing straight to the upside. So we'll see how that plays about. Bitcoin has actually been moving exactly as I thought it actually would, which is great. But yeah, I think we'll just have to kind of just wait and see how things are going to play about. Fundamentally so, we are going to be getting NFP this week. So on Friday it's NFP. Results are coming out just a little bit slightly stronger. And ADP as well too is coming out a little weaker. So today is a bank holiday, so I don't trade on bank holidays based on the slow movements within volatility in the markets, and plus it's also Monday, so you're not going to really get much really decent plays as is. But yeah, last week was Nvidia's earnings. They beat earnings, but the stock performed very, very, very badly, so it dropped. But yeah, I guess I think last week we had core PCE, which came out exactly as expected based on forecast. Um, but we saw a bit of a decline in stocks, especially with NASDAQ as well on the Friday. So yeah, we'll just have to kind of just wait and see on how things actually play out. But yeah, I think hope this video was informative. Anyway, remember this is educational content, not financial advice. So please do be wary of entering in certain positions within the markets and do follow your trading plan as well too. But nonetheless, see you on the next one. Wishing anyone that's watching this a profitable week. And yeah, like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.